Hi guys, how are ya? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Today I'll show you how to make a super easy texturized French twist that you can do in minutes, and this will be a perfect hairstyle for a party or a special occasion or for every day as well. So begin by selecting our crown section like I'm showing and make with it a simple 3-strand braid. You divide this section into 3 and cross side strand over the middle one. So you want to continue until reaching the ends, but make sure that your braid is long enough like I'm showing, like I'm measuring here. Hair doesn't hold the braid like mine here. You want to tie the ends using a clear elastic. Then you want to grab 2 small sections from both sides of our braid, and you want to twist it and wrap it once around the braid like I'm showing. Then you want to grab more hair from both sides and add to this section and again wrap it around the braid. So you want to continue adding hair from both sides to the wrapping section, I'll call it like that. And then you want to twist it with this section. You can pull it higher if you find that is falling down, if your hair is silky, and continue these steps until you have no more hair to wrap around. This is our last section. At this point, you want to tie this construction using a clear elastic. Then you want to pull a little bit your hair to make it fuller and texturized, but this is totally optional. If you don't like relaxed hairstyles, you can skip this step. And then you want to bring your hair up inside of created bun like I'm showing and pin it in place using grips or bobby pins. I leave some hair out because I like this look, but it's optional as well. And then you want to hairspray it if you need, and you're done. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this unique hairstyles. If you like this, please don't forget to give it a like. Also guys, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified every time I post a new video. Love you guys so much. See you soon. Bye.